Every night, after you fall asleep, your brain creates entire worlds that feel surprisingly real. You can fly over mountains, talk to people who no longer exist, or find yourself running from dangers that disappear the moment you wake up. Sometimes dreams are beautiful. Sometimes they're terrifying. And no matter how strange they seem, almost everyone experiences them. But why? If dreams aren't real, why does the brain spend so much energy creating them? Scientists have searched for the answer for decades, and what they've discovered may completely change the way you think about sleep and about your own mind. Every night, something extraordinary happens inside your head. Although your body lies completely still, your brain becomes surprisingly active. In fact, during certain stages of sleep, some parts of the brain can be almost as busy as they are when you're awake. This is where dreams begin. Scientists have discovered that most vivid dreams occur during a stage of sleep called REM, or rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, your eyes move quickly beneath your eyelids, your muscles are temporarily relaxed to prevent you from acting out your dreams, and your brain starts creating detailed stories, images, sounds, and emotions. But why would evolution keep such a strange process? One popular theory is that dreams help the brain organize memories. Throughout the day, your brain absorbs an enormous amount of information: faces, conversations, places, emotions, and new experiences. If all of that remained unorganized, your mind would quickly become overwhelmed. While you sleep, the brain appears to sort through these memories. Important information is strengthened, unnecessary details are gradually discarded, and new experiences are connected with older memories already stored in the brain. Dreams may simply be your conscious mind witnessing part of this remarkable process. Another fascinating theory suggests that dreams function as a kind of virtual reality simulator. Long before humans built computers, our brains may have evolved their own training system. Imagine one of our ancestors dreaming about escaping from a predator or becoming lost in unfamiliar territory. Although the danger wasn't real, repeatedly experiencing these situations in dreams may have helped prepare the brain for similar events in real life. Some researchers call this the threat simulation theory. It proposes that dreaming allowed early humans to practice responding to danger without facing real risks. If true, your nightmares might actually be one of the oldest survival tools ever developed by the human brain. That could explain why so many people experience similar dreams: being chased, falling from great heights, losing your way, arriving somewhere unprepared. These themes appear in cultures all over the world, despite people living very different lives. Dreams may also help regulate emotions. Have you ever noticed that after an emotionally difficult day, your dreams often become unusually vivid? During REM sleep, the brain processes emotional experiences in a unique way. It appears to replay certain memories while reducing some of the emotional intensity attached to them. In other words, dreaming may help us recover from stressful experiences by allowing the brain to safely revisit powerful emotions. This could explain why healthy sleep is closely linked to better emotional well-being. Of course, not every dream makes sense. Sometimes dreams combine people, places, and events in completely impossible ways. You might be talking to a childhood friend inside your current workplace while somehow floating through space. Why does this happen? During dreaming, the logical parts of the brain responsible for critical thinking become less active, while areas involved in emotion, memory, and imagination become more active. Without your brain's usual reality checks, impossible situations suddenly feel perfectly normal. Only after waking up do you realize how strange the dream actually was. Scientists still don't fully understand every detail of why we dream. Some believe dreams are essential for memory and learning. Others think they're mainly a byproduct of normal brain activity during sleep. The truth may involve several different processes working together. What researchers do know is that dreaming is incredibly common. Most people dream several times every night, even though they remember only a small percentage of those dreams after waking. In fact, you have probably experienced thousands of dreams that you can no longer recall. So the next time you wake from a strange dream, remember this: your sleeping brain isn't shutting down. It's working through memories, practicing possibilities, regulating emotions, and performing some of the most complex biological processes ever discovered. And while science has uncovered many clues, the world inside our dreams remains one of the greatest mysteries of the human mind. Every night, your brain tells stories that no one else will ever see. Some are joyful, some are frightening. Most disappear within minutes of waking up. Yet together, they may play an important role in shaping who you are. Dreams remind us that sleep is far more than simple rest. While your body recovers, your brain may be organizing memories, processing emotions, strengthening learning, and preparing for challenges you haven't even faced yet. Even after decades of scientific research, dreams remain one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the human mind. We know they matter, but we're still discovering exactly why. So perhaps the real question isn't, why do humans dream every night? Maybe it's this: what is your brain trying to teach you while you're asleep?